Welcome back, guys. I just wanted to do a quick update on the Plair token PLA. I did upload a video the other day on a 1 hour time frame. There was some bearish divergence. Okay, and I got a bit of backlash for this because you get moon boys who think that the price can only go in one direction. The reason for me putting that video out wasn't to get people to just sell all their Plair token and dump the price. Is actually just to raise awareness, and if anyone was ready to FOMO in there around these levels, like 189, 190, 200 or whatever, if they were just patient enough, they could actually get a lower entry, okay, and get a better position for a long-term hold. Okay, so obviously after that, since then, we've seen the price come down. So you can definitely could have picked up some Plair down here, as long as the liquidity was there. Now you can pick up Plair for 168 sats rather than in excess of like 200 sats or 180 sats. As you can see, the TA was done on a lower time frame, because on the higher time frames, there's not much you can go by. I mean, look at the RSI there. When you see a candle like this going up on a 1 day, obviously it looks good when you see the build up, the accumulation, and then you get the blow. It could look like a blow off top, but it's too early to tell when you see a chart like this. Obviously you got the MACD, it's way up there, but the RSI is not telling much of a story. So when you're looking for entries or short-term plan, you can look on the lower time frame. Okay, now we also saw that it was a possible head and shoulders, and then another shoulder there. We can get straight down to the downside, and then descended. Okay, but it's not all bad news, because now I can see a new pattern forming, and I'll draw that out for you now. Okay, so it looks like a descending triangle. Could have been in a falling wedge, which has now brought to the upside. Okay, it's brought to the upside. Okay, so on a technical buy the breakout pattern, that would be a perfect entry. Now we didn't buy down here, wait for it to break out and get a candle body close above this level. Obviously we've got a 4 hour close as well. Okay, so that's looking bullish. We could be ready for another leg up. Let's say there's no volume with the breakout, but it's not. I mean, this is just a short time frame anyway, so you definitely can see one, two, few candles. Then you'll see an impulse, maybe potentially, or just a slow growth up these ways. If you're patient with it. Obviously, if we break past the 247 level, then we're clearly breaking out, and we can see definitely another bull flag maybe, and a continuation up. So it's definitely a continuation pattern there, breakout pattern. Yeah, so guys, I mean, if we go to the bitmark chart, we can see the same thing happening. Now obviously one thing that you'll notice is these charts are different. The way the patterning is, you've got this big old Darth Maul double-edged lightsaber, yeah, what you can see is the same thing kind of happening down here. It's not as good, not as nice as a pattern, but it does look a bit more stable in the way the price movement's been going. Now we've got the breakout of the descending resistance, and now it can start making its way up. More buying pressure coming in, less selling pressure, and we're good to go. As you can see on the MACD, we've got bullish MACD cross on the lower time frame, because I'm only going by the lower time frames here, guys. Like I said, the higher time frame is not as clear a picture. RSI is heading back up after coming down to these levels, 40 levels. It would have been nice if it came down to 30 levels, but you can see it holding that level there, but the 40 here. So over the past few months, same thing on so I've got my indicator indicator. But yeah, obviously on the 4 hour, we can see that the MACD curl up. We've got the momentum. You know, is going back up slowly. Have a look. See that U shape curling back up. Then we could see another U shape, inverse U, and that can bring it up to the upside. Obviously on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we've got the bullish MACD cross. Yeah, guys. So yeah, definitely a good time to pick up some more Plair token. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Please do your own research when investing in the markets. Don't invest anything more than what you can afford to lose. I'm no chart expert either. You know, this is just simple TA. We're definitely, yeah, I managed to pick up some bags at a cheaper level, therefore increasing my Plair holdings so that I can make more money, because that's what it's all about, isn't it, guys? If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.